Hi friends, today I'm just doing a super quick and easy eyeshadow look that you can wear to work, but it's still a little like sneaky surprise on the eyelid. For my face makeup today, it's almost exactly the same as what I did in my everyday makeup routine. The only thing different is I used the MARC JACOBS Remarkable Foundation in 12 Ivory to spot conceal. My friend Shelby was saying she uses it to spot conceal, so I was like, I'm gonna use it to spot conceal. And I actually really liked it, so shout out to Shelby. And then for blush, I used the Too Faced Love Flush palette. Love Flush Blush. Goddamn. And then for blush, I used the Too Faced Love Flush Blush palette, and I used the colors Love Hangover and Baby Love, those two on the end. I just like to mix those. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. So whenever I do a full eyeshadow look, I always start off with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm using it on a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. Looks like that. I'm just putting a little bit on my lid to cover up the discoloration in the veins, and also obviously to set a base for the eyeshadow. And then, so it's not tacky anymore, I'm going to set it down with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. And I'm using a Real Techniques little mini sponge. I'm just pressing it all over the lid. I don't let it set there like I'm baking it, so I'm going to immediately go over it with the NYX No Filter Powder and that Real Techniques setting brush and just dust it away. So the first color I'm going in with is in the Tarte Toasted palette. It's this color Latte right there. And I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush. It's just like a fluffy shader brush. I'm just going all over the lid up to my crease. Really packing on the color on the lid. Then once I get up to the crease, I'm just going to look straight into my mirror with my eyes open but not raising my eyebrows. Like how I'm going to look at people all day. It's mostly like resting bitch face, so sorry. If you don't have a hooded eye, you can just go up to the crease and then you're done with this step. But if you do have hooded eyes, this is what I do. I cheat my crease up a little bit. I don't know if you can see. So once I have the crease outlined how I want it, then I can raise my eyebrow and really pack on the color. And then to transition from that color to my brow bone, I'm going in with Cashmere out of the palette. It's that one right there. And I'm going in with that IT Cosmetics crease brush. And I'm just gonna run this over that line to really blur it out. And then for the lid color, I'm going in with the STILA Shimmer and Glow Liquid Shadow in the color Cloud. And I'm just gonna basically coat my mobile lid with it and then blend it out with my ring finger. And then to get the pigment back on the center of my mobile lid, I'm just gonna go over it one more time and let it dry. And then to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going in with Sunrise, just on my pinky finger, and right under my brow bone, and right in the inner corner. And I'm using the REVLON Mega Multiplier mascara again. I'm not going to run any shadow along my lower lash line or do lower lash mascara. I just think it's a little harsh on me for a daytime look. So I'm just going to leave it at that. So that's it for this daytime eyeshadow look. It's super quick to do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!